It's Cass. I know it's been a hot minute, but don't clock your girl because I'm about to come to your neck. Like my foot is about to be on your neck with the content. If this is your first time here, please take a moment. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so that way you're able to get notifications. If you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in this week. I love you so much for being so patient with me. It's just been, I just needed a hiatus. I didn't have any content for you guys. I didn't want to just start making stuff up that you wouldn't want to watch. So I was just like, let me just wait for this AliExpress stuff to come in and give the girls and the guys what they need. Like, I know why you're here, you know, like, I know. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the straight unit that I got because I got 2 units from ISEEHAIR. I did purchase these with my own money for those wondering. I just wanted some short hair for the summer. I also wanted a curly unit because I've just really been feeling the short curly bob look, and I decided I wanted to do it for our Miami trip that's coming up. It's a bachelorette party. I knew I wanted curly hair, but I knew I wanted to be short. And it's like my FBI agent was really listening to your girl because he was like, sis, I got you. Next thing you know, all I saw on my YouTube feed was literally short curly bob wigs. And I was like, you're listening. You're understanding me. I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of the straight hair really quick just so you guys can see it. And then eventually I'll do a wig install video of that one as well. Okay, guys, so this is what the box looks like. This one is a little janky because, you know, she was shipped across the country. My curly box was fine. It didn't have this dent in it. Let me take this down. Okay, this is a little better. So this is the cute little box that it comes in. I love how tiny they are. I'm not going to keep the boxes, but because they come with a Ziploc bag, as you can see. So it comes, the hair comes in a bag already. And then this one actually has this little card in it. My curly one did not have it. So it's basically just the contact information for the company. And it's just like a little booklet. What does it say on the inside? Oh, hair care tips. I don't really follow these things because I've been wearing hair for a long time, so I do what I do with my hair. So anyways, that's what came in the box. Ooh, as well as some mink lashes. Since I got 2 packages, I gave one to each of my sisters because they love extra lashes. I don't. So it's just some 3D lashes. The packaging is super cute. They're just too much for me personally. They're just too full and too thick. And they're Valerie and Fafan. Like, Valerie and Fafan love lashes like this. So I was just like, here, ladies, no need to fight. One for each of you. Love you, gals. So this is what the hair looks like. So I love it because it says the actual texture. So this is Malaysian hair. The hairstyle is a bob straight wig. I got it in 12 inches. And then it just has the production date, which was 6/15/2018. I have no clue what that means. I guess the day they came out with it. I have no clue. This hair right here is Mongolian Kinky Curly, and I got it in 14 inches. So it comes with a net over it and this little white piece on the inside. Get rid of that. The hairnet is a nice additive, but we don't need her. Okay. This is so exciting. It also has one of those little packets you're not supposed to mess with. So this is what the inside of the unit looks like. As you can see, good middle part spacing. If I was doing a middle part, which most likely with this bob I will be doing. Actually, no, I'm doing a side part with this bob wig as well. But you have good parting space. I'm going to kind of do like a U shape so I can utilize this. The hair is so soft. This hair was just this soft. This one's smell is not as bad as this one was. This had like a kind of intense odor to it, but I always wash my hair before I wear it anyway, so that's why I wanted to do the unboxing for you. Once I washed it though, she smells fabulous. Like, the odor was completely gone. The curl pattern is fabulous, as you can see. And then yeah, this is just what the straight hair looks like. These do come pre-plucked. I did not pluck any part of this hairline, and I don't plan on doing that with this one. So I'll just show you guys what the side looks like at least. And you see with the straight hair, it kind of looks a little thicker than the curly one did. So maybe I would go in and do some light plucking. Nothing crazy, no really customizing. Just kind of just trying to make it less thick. But it looks good, and I'm so excited to have just another straight bob because I need to recreate that style immediately. So yeah, guys, if you want to see how I got this wig on and how I laid and slayed her, I also used the Sally Hansen leg spray tinting method instead of bleaching the knots. So if you want to see how I did that, then continue to watch the video. Alright guys, we are up close and personal. I just finished doing 2 coats of the Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs and Medium Glow on my wig. I did 1 coat, but I could still see my wig cap underneath, and this is how I have my wig cap. So I didn't actually like glue it down. I'm not doing that whole method. That's just too much because I like to take my wigs off every couple of days. It is a little crusty and dry and tinted at the front because it's seeped through, and I of course set it with the Got To Be hairspray before blow drying it. So it's a little crusty, but I'm gonna soak the hair again anyways and kind of comb that out, so we'll be good. So I'm about to cut the lace and glue it down. This is a 13 by 6, and so far it's looking like I won't actually have to cut any ear tabs, like cut the ear tabs down to fit my ears. It's looking like it's gonna fit perfectly, so I'm excited about that because I always almost snip myself. Be careful with scissors, children. Okay, thank you, bye. Your sister lets you borrow her product. So Val is clearly the curl lady because she always be finding the product. She's the one who found this.
Send me the link, girl. I need it. No, I'm mad. It's serious.
But my sister's the curl product lady because she's the one who found that Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curl Boosting Mousse. So if you want your hair to stay like looking soaked, this is it. And then she also found this TRESemmé Curl Hydrate for Defined Nourished Curls. This stuff right here, you put it on when your hair is wet, and when it's dry, it literally is so defined. So Gonna just drop a little dabble of that in here. Ladies and gents, so this is the final product of the hair as you saw from the beginning of the video. First impressions of the hair, I didn't get much shedding. Obviously with curly hair you will get some shedding, but it really was a very minimal amount even as I was like raking product through and everything. Probably got maybe less than 10 strands from the whole wig, so that was a plus. Like I said, it had an odor when it first came. It kind of just smelled like plastic, and that really could be from the actual plastic Ziploc bag that it was in the entire time it traveled over here. I don't know. Anyways, as soon as I washed it, I just used the Head and Shoulders I use the Head and Shoulders shampoo and conditioner, like a combined product. I like to just use those quick products for my hair when I'm first washing them out, and after that the odor was completely gone. I will say, because I've watched, like I said, multiple videos on this hair itself, but it was like the Brazilian one. But anyways, I can't remember her name, but I love her. I'll link the 2 videos that I really used, well 3 that I really used that made me purchase this wig, how I tinted the lace, and that also made me purchase the wig. I remember when I was watching her video that she said that the back felt like a different texture than the front, and I can kind of go for those because it's like literally right up here. It's like a little bit tighter. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a little bit tighter. Like it's more of like a jerry curl for real up here. These ones are more loose. I don't know if it's just because it's in the side part that I can tell that, but definitely when I was watching her video you could see the differentiation. You can kind of see it in my video, I hope, with my footage, but it really isn't bothersome, like I said. So overall, I'm really enjoying this hair. Like I said, I didn't pluck the hairline at all. I literally took it out of the box, washed it, turned it inside out, sprayed, dried it, and popped her on. I of course didn't cut the lace perfectly because, like I said, I'm not a pro, so I'll probably be trimming a little bit more off a little bit later and trying to clean up a little bit more of the Sally Hansen off of it, which is a little hard because I blow dried it. So I'll go back in, like once I take my makeup off tonight, I think I'll be able to like go in and wipe off a little bit more of it. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the hair so far. My sister already wants me to drop her the link, which I have, and I will give you the link as well, guys. I'll drop both of the links down below in the description box, and a straight hair video will come whenever I decide to take this off, because now I'm obsessed and I don't know if am I gonna take this wig off anytime soon? For the wedding, that's about it, and then I'm putting her right back on because I'm obsessed. I love it. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.